Hi everyone, this is Krishna Math Society faculty. Last class we discussed trigonometry equations and its problems completed. In this class we have to discuss properties of the triangles. In these properties of the triangles, what we have to discuss here, first one is sine rule. Second one is cosine means cos rule. Next, projection rule or next one is Napier analogy or Napier tangents. Next, area of triangles. Next one is half angles. Next one is in center and x center, in center and x center of triangle. Next one is Melville theorem. Next, distance from x center to vertex of triangle ABC. Next one is distance from in center to vertex of triangle ABC. Next, last one is special theorems. These all are we have to discuss in properties of triangles. See here, first we have to discuss about this triangle. Here this is a triangle ABC, acute angle. See here angle A, its opposite side is BC, it is represented, this side is small a, and angle B, its opposite side is AC, it is represented small b, and angle C, its opposite side is AB, it is represented by small c, okay, respectively. Now see here, we have to draw the perpendiculars, bisectors of these three sides, okay. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of these sides. The intersecting point is called the concurrent point, and this is intersect lines is called the concurrent lines and concurrent point. This center is called the circumcenter. Here the circle intersect all three vertices. A circle passing through the three vertices of this triangle. Then the center is called the circumscribing circle or circumcenter. Here circumcenter is S, and here SA is equal to SP is equal to SC is equal to R, radius. Understand? Okay, now we have to discuss. You understand, I think, this one. See here, suppose here this is the triangle is a acute triangle, that's why the center is inside. Suppose this is a triangle is right angle triangle means here the circumcenter lies on hypotenuse of this triangle, hypotenuse midpoint. Okay, this is a right angle triangle means this is the semicircle, this is also one semicircle, this is a 90 degrees, this is also, then its center lies on the midpoint of its hypotenuse of this triangle, then this is also inside of the triangle. Suppose this triangle is obtuse triangle, then the circumscribing of this circle lies outside. That means here the circumcenter lies outside of the triangle. Okay, now see here, now we have to discuss about sine rule. What is sine rule? Okay, now this one also I will drop. Okay, now this is theorem 1, sine rule. In triangle ABC, here A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Here this theorem we have to prove that three cases. First one is angle A, or in triangle A is acute triangle and right angle triangle and obtuse triangle. See here, first case we have to this theorem proved following cases. Here case 1, here A is acute triangle, okay, acute angle. Now see here, this is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an acute triangle. See here, this is A, B, C. A, B, C. Here circumscribing the circle, circumscribing circle. Okay, now this is the center, center S. Okay, now you have to draw a line, draw a chord which is passing through the center of the circle. Now you have to join this point. This is a D. Now see here, this is a chord. The common base of these two triangles, that means this angle both are equal. You know that the properties of this triangle. Okay, two triangles having same base, then the subtended angles are equal. Now here angle from triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Okay, here BAC and BDC. Here angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because here BC is the common base of these two triangles. Now see here, this is a center. Center means this is the diameter. Now BD is a diameter. Diameter means this is R, this is R, is equal to 2R. Now see here, this is an angle here, its opposite side is small a, and this is a B. B means this is a small b, this is C. Now from triangle BDC. BDC is a right angle triangle. See here, BDC is a right angle triangle. Why? Because this is a semicircle. BD is a diameter, means this is a semicircle, means here this is a right angle triangle. From right angle, this is a BDC. B or BCD is a right angle triangle. Right angle at C is equal to 90 degrees, and this is a acute angle. Okay, sine here, sine you can take here sine BDC. Sine angle BDC is equal to, this is the angle. Here this is the angle, means here sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means here BC by BD. Then BC by BD. What is the value of here BC? This is A. Angle sine BDC is equal to, this is A, and here BD is equal to 2R. Now cross multiply, here A is equal to R, A is equal to, or otherwise here BDC is equal to what? BD is equal to BAC. Sine angle BAC is equal to A by 2R. That means here this is rewrite as 2R is equal to A by sine A. Angle BAC means here this is sine A. This is the first case. Understand? Okay, now you have to take here right angle triangle, case 2. Case 2 means here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. See here, now I will draw here one more figure. This is the diameter A, or this is B. Here C, this is A, right angle at A. See here, this is a right angle triangle, this is the semicircle, this is also semicircle. In a semicircle, what is the angle here? 90 degrees. That's why this opposite side is A, here B, this is C. Now you can take here A is equal to 2R. This A, BC is equal to, this is R plus R, 2R. Okay, A is equal to 2R into Y here, you can write here sine 90 degrees into 1 means sine 90 is equal to 1. Then this is also 2r. Sine 90, here a is equal to, where it is 90 degrees here, this is a only. Then 2r into sine a. Then you can write here 2r is equal to a by sine a. Okay, 2r is equal to a by sine a. Here 2r is equal to a by sine a. Now you can take here case 3. Case 3, see here, you can take here obtuse angle. A, B, C. Here this is the center S. Now you have to draw one chord. This is D. This is the diameter, means this is R plus R, 2R. Now this is small a, here B, this is C. Now you can join this one. Okay, see here, this is the diameter, means this is one semicircle and this is another semicircle. Now this is a right angle at B, BDC. This is a right angle triangle. Now see here, this is this figure from triangle BDC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now you can take here sine here. Sine BDC is equal to, this is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means here BC by DC. Sine angle BDC is equal to, BC means what? BC is equal to A by, this is DC is equal to 2R. Now see here, this is ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. What are the properties of the cyclic quadrilateral? Here sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees and sum of the opposite angles also 180 degrees. Then here angle BAC plus angle BDC is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Here angle BDC is equal to 180 minus angle BAC. Now you can apply sine either side. Sine angle BDC is equal to sine of 180 degrees minus angle BAC. Understand? Now sine BDC is equal to sine 180 minus theta means here sine theta. Sine angle BAC. Now see here, angle BDC is equal to angle BAC. Now you can write here sine BAC is equal to A by 2R. Therefore, A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to 2R. I proved only one case. This is total one. Actually, I took this is A is acute angle. Thereafter, you have to take here B also acute angle. Then you have to prove it. Okay. Now this is cosine rule. In triangle ABC, B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA into cos B. See here this is also we have to take three cases. First one is triangle ABC is a acute triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse triangle. See here, case 1, triangle ABC is an acute triangle. Now you have to draw, this is triangle ABC, A, B, C. Draw a perpendicular from vertex A. This is D. Now this is angle B, angle C, angle A. See here, from triangle ABD, here this is a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Here AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now from this triangle, from triangle ADC, here AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. Now you have to subtract from equation 1 to equation 2. See here, AB square minus AC square is equal to, here AD square cancel, this AD cancel. Now BD square minus DC square. This is equation. Okay. Now this is these two terms and this side, AC square and that side. Now AC square is equal to AB square minus BD square plus DC square. Now see here, AB square minus BD square plus DC is write as BC minus BD. This is write as BC minus BD whole square. Now you can write here AB square minus BD square plus this is A minus the whole square formula A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now this is BD square cancel, then AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Now what we will do, you have to take from triangle ABD, here cos B you can take here. From triangle ABD, here cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse BD by AB. Now here BD is equal to AB into cos B. Now this BD instead of you can substitute here AB cos B. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2 times BC into here BD instead of you can write here AB into cos B. AB into cos B. Now you can substitute here AC means what? AC means this is BC. Now AC means here this is B square. Here AB means here this is C square plus BC means here this is A square. Then this is also 2 times C into A. BC is equal to this is A. That's why you can write here C into A cos B. This is rewrite again. B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA or 2C into A. This is C. BC means here this is AC actually. AC is write as CA cos B. Now you can take here ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, case 2 triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. See here A B C A B C. Now see here A B or otherwise this is B, you can take a right angle at B, this is C. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a right angle triangle at B. Then here hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is write as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then I will write here this is 2 times AB into BC. At the same time this is write as cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. That's why 0 into this whole term is equal to 0. That's why same, no changes. Then here AC square means what? AC means here AC B square. B square is equal to AB square means here this is C square plus BC means here A square minus 2 times C into A cos B. This is a right angle triangle means. Now triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. See here how to draw. This is obtuse triangle A B C. This is A B C is a obtuse triangle. Now you have to draw a perpendicular on BC. This is D. Now see here this is B. Then this is 180 minus B. Okay, from triangle ADB is a right angle triangle at D. Now we are AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now you can take one more right angle triangle. This is 3 you can write here. From triangle AC ADC. Here AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Here AC square you have to subtract from this is 4. 4 minus 3. Equation 4 minus 3. Now here AC square minus AB square is equal to DC square minus BD square. This AD cancel again. Now we want AC square is equal to this AB square on that side. AB square minus BD square plus DC square. Now this is right as AB square minus BD square plus DC is right as DB plus BC. DB plus DB plus BC. Okay. Now see here. Here AB square minus BD square plus this is right as BD plus DC, BC whole square. This is DC. Now this is BD plus BD square plus BC square plus 2 BD into BC. Now this is right as AB square. Here BD square cancel plus BC square plus 2 times BD into BC. Now you can take triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. ABC. Here this is a B, then this angle is 180 minus B. This is 180 minus B. Then here you can take here. Okay, now you can note down up to here. There is no place. I will write here. Now you have to take here. Actually, here BD, DC. One more step. I will rub and write. Now see here. Here AB square. This is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC square plus 2BD into BC. BC. Now you have to take this triangle ADB. 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 This is C. Now this is B means this is a total 180 degrees, 180 minus B. Now from triangle ADB, here cos 180 minus B is equal to cos 180 minus B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent means here BD by here AB. Now cos 180 minus theta means minus cos theta minus cos B is equal to here BD by AB. Cross multiply, here BD is equal to minus AB cos B. This BD instead of you have to substitute here. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here minus into plus minus 2 AB into BC cos B. Now this is AC. AC is equal to what here? B square. AC means here B square is equal to AB. AB means here C square plus BC. BC means here A square minus 2CA into cos B. This is when triangle ABC is a obtuse triangle. Note down next one. Now projection rule. The theorem in triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B and B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C and C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Okay, now we have to take from the cosine rule. From cosine rule, here B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B. Then we are cos B is equal to these two terms on that side, or this is on that side, this B square on this side, C square plus A square minus B by here this is 2CA. Now you can take here cos C also, similarly cos C also, here A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Now these two you have to take here from RHS, here B cos C plus C cos B can write here. Here B into cos C means here A square plus B square minus C square by here 2AB plus here c into cos b. Cos b means here c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. Now see here, here bb, here c cancel. Now here 1 by 2a take common, and a square plus b square minus c square plus c square plus a square minus b square. Now this is b square cancel. Here c square cancel. Now 2a square plus a square, 2a square by 2a. Here 1a cancel. Here this is equal to a. Similarly, other two also we have to do it this like. Okay, this is the projection rule. Next we have to discuss tangent rule. Note down. Now we have to discuss tangent rule or Napier analogy. In triangle ABC, tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c into cot a by 2. Next one is tan c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a into cot b by 2. Next, tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b into cot c by 2. Now we have to take here sine rule. From sine rule a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c is equal to 2r. Now you have to take here a is equal to 2r sine a, and a b is equal to 2r sine b, and c is equal to 2r sine c. Now you can write here b minus c. Take b minus c by b plus c. See here b means what? Here 2r sine b minus c means here 2r sine c upon 2r sine b plus 2r sine c. Here 2r cancel. Then this is write as sine b minus sine c by sine b plus sine c. Now you know that this is sine c minus sine d is write as 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means here b plus c by 2 into sine b minus c by 2 upon here 2 sine b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. Now here 2 cancel. This is rewrite as b minus c by b plus c is equal to, here cos by sine is equal to cot b plus c by 2, and here cos sine by cos means here tan b minus c by 2. Okay. Now see here sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to how many degrees here? A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Now this a and that side b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Now by 2 here, then you can apply here. Which one you have to apply here? Here already b plus c cot as given. Then you can apply cot b plus c by 2 is equal to, this is cot of 180 by 2 means here 90 minus a by 2. Now this is rewrite as cot b plus c by 2 is equal to, this is cot 90 minus theta tan. Now in this place you have to substitute here b minus c by b plus c is equal to here tan a by 2 tan a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Now this is on that side here, then it is going to, it's a denominator, then it is write as b minus c by b plus c. Here 1 by tan a by 2 means here cot a by 2 is equal to tan b minus c by 2. Similarly remaining two also you have to try this like. Okay, note down this is. Okay, next one is half angle formulas. Here to find the sides of half angles. In terms of the sides, sin a by 2 is equal to under root or s minus b into s minus c by here bc, and sin b by 2 is equal to s minus c into s minus a by ca, and sin c is equal to c by 2 is equal to s minus a into s minus b by ab. See here, actually we know that cos a or see here cosine formula a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos a. Now I want cos a. Cos a is equal to, this is and this side, this is and this side, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, 2bc. This is cos A. Now cos 2a in terms of sine means 1 minus 2 sine square a. Okay, here say you can write here cos A means here cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2. So sine square a by 2. Then here 2 sine square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A. Then here already we know that cos A is equal, this is, you can substitute here. Now 2 sine square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus, this is b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Take here LCM here 2bc. Now 2bc minus b square minus c square plus a square. Now this is right as a square minus, you have to take common, b square plus c square minus 2bc by 2bc. Now see here, this is a square, this is a b square plus c square minus 2b means here b minus c whole square right here, 2bc. Now this is also going to, it's a denominator means here sine square a by 2 is equal to, a by 2 means here 2 into 2, 4 times bc. Now a square minus b square, this is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c by 4bc. Actually we know that here s is equal to a plus b plus c, this is 2s is equal to, then here a plus b is equal to 2s minus c, and here a plus c is equal to 2s minus b. These two you have to substitute here. Now sine square a by 2 is equal to, here a plus b, instead of you can write here 2s minus c minus c into here a plus c, instead of you can write here 2s minus b minus b upon here this is 4bc. Now see here, this is 2, you can take common here s minus c minus c 2c. Then here also you can take here 2 times s minus b by 4bc. Here 2 into 2 4 cancel. Now s minus c into s minus b by bc. This is a sine square a by 2. Now I want sine a by 2 is equal to, this is root going, square going that side means root, under root over s minus c into s minus b by bc. Similarly these two also same. Okay, note down. Okay, now here half angles in terms of cosine. See here, already we know that, see here once again, c square is equal to, or c square is equal to a square plus b square, or a square you can take here, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Actually here I want here cos a is equal to, same as this you can write here, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Actually cos a in terms of cos in semicircle here, submultiple angles here, cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Now this one of the side side, 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos a. Now 1 plus, here cos a instead of here right here b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Take a LCM here, LCM is 2bc, and 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Now this is rewrite as, here this is a b plus c whole square, b square plus c square plus 2bc, b square plus minus a square by 2bc. Now this is rewrite as a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Now b plus c minus a into b plus c plus a by 2bc. Now we know that here s is equal to 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Now here we want here b plus c is equal to 2s minus a. Next here a plus b plus c instead of, you can write here 2s. Now you can substitute here, what is this here, 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to, here b plus c instead of, you can write here b plus c instead of 2s minus a minus 2a into here this is 2s, you can write here a plus b plus c by here 2bc. Now cos square a by 2 is equal to this 2 also going to its denominator, then numerator you have to take 2 common, here s minus a, here also this is 2s by here 4 bc, here this 4 cancel. Now cos a by 2 is equal to under root over s minus a into s by bc. This is a half angle in terms of cosine. Now here only I will explain. Here half angle in terms of tan. Half angle in terms of tan. Tan a by 2. See here. Tan a by 2 is equal to sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Here sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Actually already we derived sin a by 2 is equal to s minus b into s minus c by bc. S minus a by s minus c by here bc, s minus b, sorry, s minus b into s minus sin a by 2 by here this is under root over s minus a into s by bc. Here bc cancel. Now this is rewrite as s minus a, s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus c. Remaining also same as this, you can follow it. Okay, next one is to express the sine of any angle of triangle in terms of the sides. See here, sin a is equal to 2 by bc into under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to 2 delta by bc. Remaining also similarly same. Now we have to prove this one here. Here sin a is write as 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Actually already we derived sine, okay, half angles in terms of sine and cos we derived. See here 2 times of this is under root over s minus b into s minus c by bc into this is under root over s into s minus a by bc. Now you can write here this is 2 times of under root over this is same square root, then you can write here s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c by here b into b square means here you can write here bc, then this is rewrite as 2 by bc into, actually this is area of the triangle, you can write here delta, 2 delta by bc. Okay, new similarly remaining also same, you can write here. Now we have to discuss area of the triangles. Here theorem number 5. Here area of the triangles is represented by this is delta. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into sin A is equal to half into C into sin B is equal to half into AB into sin C. This is one theorem. And here 2r square into sin A sin B sin C is equal to ABC by 4r. And next one is here all are same but depends upon the problem only. Now see here first one. This is triangle ABC. You have to draw a perpendicular on BC. This is D. Now see here. Actually area of the triangle is represented by delta. Here half into here base into height. Base into height. Here half into what is the base here? BC into AD. But here you can take here angle B. Okay, from triangle ABD. Here sin B is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is here AD by here AB. Now AD is equal to AB into sin B. Here AB means what? AB means this is C, opposite side, C into sin B. Now this is substitute here. Delta is equal to half into here BC into here C sin B. Here BC means what? BC means A. Then this is right as half into BC means AC into sin B. Here half into AC or CA into sin B. Similarly, you have to take from this triangle means you will get one more. Okay, remaining all are same. Now by using this one, we have to derive. Here 1 by 2 delta is equal to 1 by 2 AC into sin B. Now see here. Here actually sin rule we know that. Sin rule means here A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Now here A is equal to 2R sin A. Here A is equal to 2R sin A and C means here 2R sin C into sin B you can write here. Now here 2 to cancel, 2R square, R into R square sin A sin B into sin C. Similarly remaining 2 also same, here 2R square sin A sin B sin C. Now see here, same as it is you can take here delta is equal to half into AC sin B. Now here sin B instead of I will take here B by 2R. Now delta is equal to 1 by 2 into AC into here sin B instead of you can write here delta B by 2R you can write here 2R B by 2R. Now this is A B C by 2 into 2 4R. See here A B C by 4R. Now only I derived here sin in terms of here sin 2A. One more formula that is sin here half into AC into here sin B. Here sin B instead of you can write here AC into here 2 by here AC into under root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is also we derived now only. This is one formula. This is 2 to cancel AC cancel. Now its area is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is Herain's formula. Herain one mathematician. He derived this formula. That's why here three sides are different. That means here this is a scalar triangle means you have to take this area of the triangle means under root of S into S minus A to S minus B. At the same time here S is equal to semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Note down. Okay, thank you children watching my videos. Next class we have to discuss in center, out center, X center and in center to vertices between distance and in X center to vertices between distance and Melville theorem. Each and everything we have to discuss. Thank you.